Hello class. Today's lesson is sounds of animals. Means how they sound whenever they speak out, how or what kind of sound they make. So dear children, match with the sound they make. First one is lion. Lion uh, roars. Lion roars. So you are matching lion with L. Lion roars. Next one, horse. Horse. You can see horse, nice. Option G. Third one, turkey. Turkey gobbles. Fourth one, crow. It cows. Crow. Oh, sorry. Cows. Crows, cows. Number 5, bee buzzes in front of bee. Option E. 6, dog barks. Seventh one, sheep. Sheep bleats. Sheep bleats. Number 8, donkey brays. Number 9, duck. Duck quakes. Number 10, owl. Option F, owl hoots. 11, hen. Hen clucks. 12, bird. Bird chirps. Thank you.